Hello everyone, this is Janice. I'm back in my kitchen again because I am going to show you how to make a pineapple, kiwi, and orange drink. It's really healthy for you and it's really delicious, and I'm excited to start making this drink to show you how delicious it's going to turn out. Before we start making this drink, there are a couple of things that you will need in order to make this drink. First of all, you will need a blender. You will need some glasses to pour the drink into them. You will also need a kiwi spoon, but you can also use one of the regular teaspoons to scoop out the kiwi. And you also need some cut up pineapple. So I just went ahead and I washed my pineapple and then I cut up all in small pieces. And then you will also need an orange. So basically, to start off with this recipe, I will start cutting up the fruit, and then I am going to mix all the fruit into the blender. So first I'm going to start off with my orange here, and I'm just going to cut them up. And like I said, this drink is really healthy. I do not put any sugar in this drink because first of all, the pineapple is already juicy and it's really sweet as it is. And the kiwi, they're already ripe, so they're really sweet as well. So now I just peeled my orange and I just cut it in half and slice them here a little bit. And then with my kiwi, I already went ahead and I washed them as well. And then I just cut it here in half. And you can use a spoon to scoop out the kiwi. And this is a really juicy kiwi, so it'll be really sweet as it is. And the best part about this drink is that you're putting all the fruit all at one time in the blender. It has a lot of vitamins and it's really healthy for you. It gives you a lot of energy. So that's the best thing about eating fruit, because you're getting all the vitamins there all at one time. So just take off the peeling on the kiwi. And try to scoop as much of it out. And I also have some other recipes as well that I have posted, and they're really good drinks, and I recommend you to watch those videos as well. I have made from banana shakes, I have made all kinds of drinks, pineapple juice. I also made a video on how to make a natural applesauce, homemade. It doesn't require any sugars or anything. It's all just healthy. Okay, so then I have all this fruit cut up already, and I will be back and I'll show you how I mix it all into the blender. Okay, so I have my blender here ready to go, and I am going to start putting the fruit into my blender. I'm going to put all the fruit all mixed in there. And usually this drink will actually serve about 2 to 3 people. depending on how big your glasses are, but usually it's about 2 to 3 servings. All the fruit is in my blender now, and I will just add about a cup of water into the blender. And this is just to make it really moist and juicy. So then now I'm just going to put the lid on to the blender, and then I'll just mix all the fruit all together. Okay, now the drink is ready to go, and now I am going to pour it into my glass. Now, one tip that I have for you is if you decide to make this drink and drink it right away, that's great. If you decide to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and you decide that you want to drink it a little bit later, you could. The only thing is that you might have to stir it a little bit before you drink it if you let it sit in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. But if you make it and drink it right away, enjoy it. It's great. It will not get thick, and the reason why it might get thick is because of the pulp in the pineapple. But I usually try to take as much of that pulp out. But the other option is you can strain it. Once you have the mixture all mixed in, you can use a strainer, and then you can eliminate all that pulp. So many people like the pulp, other people don't like to drink the pulp, but there's nothing wrong with drinking the pulp. It's really healthy for you. It has a lot of vitamins anyway. So okay, so now I'm going to pour my drink into my glass, and this looks very, very good. Really delicious, very nutritious. You can have this at any time. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, or you can have it for snack at any time. If you go out for an exercise, you like to run, like in my case, in the evenings I like to go for a walk after dinner, and I come back home and I'm really thirsty, and this is a great drink to drink after a workout or an exercise. So let me know what you think about this drink. Let me hear your comments on what you think. I will be posting some more videos for Valentine's Day, or possibly some more drinks. But if you have any ideas that you would like me to make, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. I will see you next time, and I hope everyone's doing just fine. Take care. Bye.